Morning students. Now today we are going to discuss the second chapter of physics, winds, storms and cyclones. Before we start the topic winds, first we describe what is air. So all of you know air is a mixture of different kinds of gases and it is colorless, odorless and tasteless. Moving air is called wind. The envelope of air surrounding our earth is called atmosphere. Now how to define the term atmospheric pressure? The pressure exerted by the air at any point on the earth is called atmospheric pressure at that point. Now how can you show that air exerts pressure? There are three activities regarding this. First activity, when we blow air into the balloon, it gets inflated. This is because as we put air in the balloon, we provide large number of air molecules inside the balloon. And these molecules collide together and create an air pressure. This air pressure on the thin wall of the balloon from inside causes the balloon to expand. This is why due to the air pressure the balloon becomes inflated. Second activity in our daily life, when we fill air into the bicycle tube, then the air molecules inside the tube collide together and it also exerts pressure on the inner wall of the bicycle tube. That is why the tube of the bicycle becomes inflated. Now we show the one activity. Here it is one balloon. When we blow the air, all you see here, when we blow the air inside the balloon, then air inside the balloon increases and the air inside the molecules that collide together and exerts pressure inside the walls of the balloon. That is why the balloon becomes inflated. Another example, all you see here, here we take one glass of water and it is covered with one small piece of cardboard. Okay, now you press the with the piece of cardboard and it is inverted like that. Now we gradually all we see, as we gradually remove our palm, then we observe that water does not fall. All we see here, water does not fall. This activity shows that air also exerts pressure in the upward direction and the water exerts pressure in the downward direction. So due to the air exerts pressure in the upward direction, water does not fall. This activity also shows that air exerts pressure. Thank you.